Beautiful birds. Different variety of ducks enjoying the sunshine. Very beautiful. Seagulls as well, and some of them are nesting as well. It's a lovely place to see different ducks. At Swakeleys Park. These are not afraid of human. I think they are fed here. People come and bring some variety of seeds and vegetables to feed them. They are all very beautiful. Wow, thank you very much for visiting my channel. You're welcome to subscribe, to like and share with others, and enjoy all these birds around here. And I can see a big rat in between there looking at me. Whoa, it's running. I'm going to this probably home. The sun is out. These are very pretty, especially this one. Whoa. Look at the rat. It's there. It's running. I don't know. Wow. It's run away from that side. Anyway, back to the birds. All resting. There's some more songs from other birds outside there. At Swakeleys Park in Hillingdon. Thank you and bye for now. See you again soon.